This is a bit of a different one again. I was driving past and seen a sign for the Carrington Hydraulic Engine House. So let's go check it out and see what it's all about. Helicopter. Yeah, this is the saying that was on the sign as well. Let's go have a look. So that's who must have built it, I assume. Part of Public Works, Harbours and Rivers Branch. Behind us here, plan the shoeing arrangement of engines and pipes, and this is it. Actually printed the blueprints. On the ground here. I get the signature of the engineer-in-chief who designed it 125 years ago or thereabouts. New handrails, looks like they do access it sometimes, but I'm not too really sure what they use it for. We'll have to look that up, or if anyone knows, as always, make some comments in the comment section. Impressive building. Just to be honest, here the actual harbour. This would run the steam cranes and things, I assume, for the harbour back in the old days. There's a couple of ships over here in port. Carrington silos. The world's tallest door. I got the lights here, the lower lights up at night time. You can actually see this place from the Kingsley, which we've done the video from a few weeks ago. At night time, we'll lit up. Let's see if I got a photo of that, be able to add that to the video. Yeah, let's have a look around here. Now access to the backyard. Pretty sure people used to be able to get into this building, like used to be open up. No doors and everything on it, but yeah, 20, 30 years ago. That looks like they're doing a job sealed up and then maintaining it. Look at the docks on the way out. It's the Dara Ridger port. So quick look down this side here. Looks pretty similar to the other end. It's a mirror image. There's just something down there they've taken out. they've had some repairs done here. They've patched them all up, painted a mural over the top of it to give it that vintage look, matching with the rest of the building. Well, there you go. That was a quick look at the Carrington Hydraulic Engine House. And yeah, as always, if you know anything about the place, make some comments. And also, if you want, you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time when we find some other random things.